Let's talk about future stuff. Do you have another planned trip soon?
I do. Thank you for asking. The minute I came back from my trips, I was already planning my birthday, which is not for another 6 months next year. Um, and I'm so excited to say that I'm finally going to Mexico, where Brian's family is from, and visit his family, live the culture, and just take in where his family's from and learn about them, since this was his third trip to the Philippines. So I'm sure he's had enough of that. So it's nice to kind of shift things around and visit his family and stuff.
Which city?
So I think we're gonna do Cancun for my actual birthday, and then we might go down to we are going down to Mexico City, and then we're inviting my cousin and my best friend who is Mexican. So it's nice, and she's our little tour guide as well.
Did you know that Mexico City is in high altitude? My body, I discovered, gets very sensitive to high altitude, and I get these pounding headaches. Otherwise, I never get headaches. So I recommend to drink a lot of water, way more water than you normally would. And you can go to Whole Foods, go to a grocery store and get chlorophyll drops. Chlorophyll, if you don't know, is what makes plants green. Yeah, when I go snowboarding and we're in the mountains, that has really helped me a lot.
Does it have a taste?
No.
Does it taste green?
I know you're very particular about flavors, and it has no taste.
Then I will be at Whole Foods.
Yeah, exactly. And also ginkgo biloba, which is an herb that I actually ate as a baby. It looks like a nut, but they come in capsule form, and it gives you stamina and energy to help you with the high altitude.
You're going to have to send me the link, because this all sounds really good.
Okay, great. I will. But Mexico City is awesome because it's very artsy there. There's a lot of art, beautiful culture. The food scene is amazing there. So hopefully you can get into all the top restaurants.
I hope so too. We're going to have to start reserving.
What's your favorite Mexican food or dish?
I actually had this last night, but I really enjoy birria or quesadilla. So flavorful, and my brother just got into it, so now we're both obsessed. Actually, I got some ingredients in Trader Joe's and made it at home.
Ooh. So the birria that I know is slow cooked pulled beef. Is that not birria?
Is it right? Is it sheep? I thought it was goat.
Oh,
I think it's goat. My dad said it was goat. But my dad's not Mexican, so I don't know.
How does your dad know?
My dad surrounds himself with a lot of Mexican friends.
Oh, really? Okay, yes. Birria is a stew traditionally made with goat meat, but variations using beef, lamb, mutton, and even vegan alternatives exist. Now I know.
Love birria.
How big is Brian's family in Mexico?
I'm going to say not as big as 150 Tamulas. I think he has a very decent size family members. So I'm sure we'll get around to all of them.
And are they in Cancun or are they in Mexico City?
I want to say they're all in Mexico City.
Oh, wow. Okay. When did Brian come to the States?
When he was born here.
Oh, That's right. That's right. I have learned so much about you. My last few questions is if you could give some advice for my subscribers in building confidence when speaking English, what would that be?
I think it's important to take your time. Don't shy away or shame yourself for not being as proficient as other people who are also learning the language. I think growing up as well, I was comparing myself to other people speaking wise. And I think it's just to take your time and embrace your culture and never forgetting where you came from. I think that happens a lot of the times.
Mm-hmm. And I know that we talked about how Brian is learning your language and how I'm learning French in the same way, which is the chunk method. Do you have any other suggestions on different types of methods?
Yes, so when I was actually learning Korean, um, all throughout middle school and high school, I think the most effective way of picking up the language and the accent, this goes by me learning English as well, was watching a lot of K dramas, which, if the viewers don't know, is Korean dramas. So I actively watched Korean dramas without the dubbed. And over time, kind of like the chunk method, picked up little words here and there and then applied it to what I know. And then now, when I go out and I hear Koreans, I can kind of understand what, or I can make an idea of what they're saying because of the little chunks. So I think watch TV.
진짜?
Yes.
I just said, really? That's so cool. I didn't realize that you were learning Korean for that long. That's a really long time.
Hmm. I wish I never stopped. I think I would be in a way better place now, in terms of proficiency, if I had just kept on going. And
Yeah, I wish I never stopped either. Can you tell me something in Korean?
you're one of the best English songsangs.
Oh my God, that's so cute. Yes, I try my best to be a good English 선생님. I learned a lot about you today, Danica. I never really call you Nika, but I could. Do you want me to call you Nika now?
I think it doesn't matter.
I really am so appreciative that you came on here on your very busy day off. I know how jam-packed it can be on our days off. And yeah, I would love to interview your boyfriend soon. Brian, hit me up. I hope everyone enjoyed this interview. I felt like Danica's story could be inspiring because she was at a point in her life where she wasn't fluent in English, and luckily she became fluent quickly because she moved to the United States. But just know that you can't give up. Like, her boyfriend is learning her native language and he's actually really good at it. So don't give up, study every day. And I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.
Bye.